Scientists have discovered that the human brain passes through 5 distinct phases in life, and the turning points come at ages 9, 32, 66, and 83. The findings, based on thousands of brain scans, could reshape how we understand mental health, aging, and cognitive development. It's been long known that the brain changes throughout our lives, but this new research from the University of Cambridge shows that this transformation isn't smooth or gradual. Instead, the brain rewrites itself in 5 clear stages from birth to old age. Researchers analyzed brain scans from more than 4,000 people aged from newborns to 90 years old. Their goal, to map the connections between brain cells known as neural networks. Lead researcher Dr. Alexa Mosley told BBC that the brain rewires across the lifespan. He said it's always strengthening and weakening connections, and that it's not one steady pattern. There are fluctuations and phases. Those fluctuations create 5 brain phases. Childhood, which is from birth to 9. Adolescence, from 9 years to 32. Adulthood, from 32 to 60 years old. Early aging, from 66 to 83. Late aging, from 83 onwards. In childhood, the brain grows rapidly, but it also trims away extra synapses. It's an energetic, chaotic phase that researchers compare to a child wandering through a park without a fixed path. But everything changes at age 9. That's when adolescence begins, and according to this study, it lasts far longer than we ever imagined. From 9 to 32, the brain becomes sharper, faster, and more efficient. It's the only phase where the brain's network gets stronger. These years also carry the highest risk for mental health disorders, which may now be better understood through this new mapping. After 32, the brain enters adulthood, a long, stable period where efficiency slowly begins to decline. Researchers say this matches the plateau in personality and intelligence many people experience in midlife. At age 66, early aging begins. The brain doesn't collapse, but it starts to separate into clusters, with different regions working more independently. It's also the time when conditions like dementia and high blood pressure begin to appear. And then at 83, the brain enters its final phase, late aging, with more pronounced versions of the same changes. What surprises scientists most is how perfectly these brain phases align with major life milestones: puberty, mental health vulnerability, family formation in early 30s, and the health challenges of later life. The study, published in Nature Communications, is expected to open new doors in understanding brain development, mental illness, and aging. Researchers say the next stage is learning how lifestyle, education, and environment can shift these phases. Akugizibwe, Science Television Network News.